Welcome to Education Avenue.
In today's video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can start a faceless kids music channel using only AI. There are millions of kids who listen to music every single day, and the question I get a lot is, can you monetize kids channel? The answer is yes, kids channels can be monetized. So the first thing that you need are song lyrics. Now before you generate the song, you must know what it will talk about. Number one, the song must be educational, meaning the song must teach kids something. There are many things that you can teach kids. This includes the daily activities of kids, the names of fruits, the names of the alphabet letters, or the rhymes in English, or the animals or the birds. The list is endless. So in today's video, I will pick the animal and I will go to ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT this prompt. Give me a list of 5 animals that live on land that kids love. I'll click on enter. Okay, and ChatGPT has given us a list of 5 animals that live on land that kids love. So the next thing that I'll ask ChatGPT is, write this in a music format for kids. Make it fun and very interesting. I'll click on enter. Okay, and ChatGPT has gone ahead and written the song for us about these 5 animals that we've asked. So the last prompt that we're going to ask ChatGPT is, give me prompts for this song to generate images and pictures. I'll click on enter. And ChatGPT will go further and give us the prompt for this song. So what we simply have to do is we're going to copy the song. So mind you, you must delete this verse 1, chorus, verse 2, and chorus. So what we simply have to do here is we're going to copy this and we will go to Suno AI. Just type in Suno AI and it will bring you to this dashboard. So here it says make a song for your friend. So come here where it says make a song. So once we are on this dashboard, all that we have to do is come to where it says sign up and we sign up with our Google account. Once you are done signing up, come to where it says create. So once you are here, this window opens up. All you have to do is click on this button here to go to turn on the custom mode. You can give it a prompt here for it to generate a song for you, but since we already have the lyrics, we're going to click on custom mode and here we're going to paste our lyrics. Here you can say the style of music that you want. If you don't know the style of music that you want, you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to help you with the style that is suitable for kids. So we've asked ChatGPT to give us a suitable music style for kids. And here is the list. So we have pop, we have children's pop / rock, we have folk. So we're going to pick number 2, which is children's pop + rock, and we'll go back to Suno and we'll paste it here. Then here it has asked us to give a title to our song. So we can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a title for the song. So I've asked it to give me 5 titles for the above song. So it has given us the 5 titles. So from here we can only pick one. I'll go for number 2, which says Safari Shuffle, Dancing with Animals. Copy this one, go back to Suno, and I'll paste it here. So from there, what I'll do is I'll click on create. Okay, now that it has finished generating the music for us, we can play to hear how they sound. Okay, so what you can simply do is, if you don't like the type of music it has generated for you, you can still go back to ChatGPT, look among the type of music style that it had given you and pick another one and come back to Suno and change the style of music from there. So once you have finished trying out all the music style, from there you come to where there are these 3 dots if you want to download your audio. So click on these 3 dots and come to where it says download audio. So you can download it as a video or you can download it as an audio. So click on download. So what will simply happen is when you download it as a video, it will appear the way it is appearing here with only some background lyrics in which the lyrics are here to your right. So these lyrics will appear on this part of the image. So what we simply have to do from there is to create now the images to combine together and make that HD video for the kids. So to do this, we'll go to Leonardo.ai. So once we are on Leonardo, you can use any AI tool that can help you generate the images like Midjourney, Piccolab, the lot of tools that can be used to generate images. So once we are here, we'll come to where it says generate images. Once it brings us to this, I want you to select the size of the aspect ratio for your video. So make sure you select 16:9. So from there, all you have to do is go back to ChatGPT and go to your prompts that it had generated for you. So these are the prompts that ChatGPT had generated for us. So for the lion, we'll copy the first prompt here. So there are two prompts for each animal. So copy the first prompt and we'll go back to Leonardo.ai and we'll paste our prompt here. So the other thing that I like to do is this. I like adding this prompt. I will leave it in the description so that you can use it to generate your images as well, which says hyper/realistic, ultra HD, pixel style, Disney style, cinema 4D, and the aspect ratio there. So what I'll simply do is I'll select the number of images to be just 2 per prompt, then I'll click on generate. Okay, so this is the first thing that it has generated for our first prompt. So there are two things that we can do from here. The first one is we can download it as it is, or the second one is we can click on the video, on the image, sorry, and we can come to this background bar and we can remove the background so that we just remain with the lion itself. So it's up to you with what you want to do. This works much better if you don't like the background that it has generated your video from. But I really love this background. It's very stunning. So when you've removed the background, it will look like this. Okay, and you can download it the way it is on this download bar here, or you can go back to the original image and download it like that. So what I'll simply do is I'll click on next. So this is the other image it generated for me. I love the way it's appearing, so I'll click on download. So what you can simply do here is this. If you don't like the style of images it's generating, you can come to this box here, and from here you can select the style of image that you want. Is it a 3D animal style? So we can try this one and we can click on generate. Okay, so this is what it has generated for us in 3D animation. So we can do the same thing like we did. So I'll just click on download and I'll also download this one. So let me know what you think about the images that Leonardo.ai is generating for us. So we repeat the same process for all the prompts until we have finished generating the images. Now that we've finished generating our images, so we need to convert these images into a video. So to do this, we will go to Piccolabs. So once we're on Piccolabs, we're going to sign in with a Google account, or you can sign in with a Discord. Let's say if you've joined the Discord. So sign in with a Google account. Okay, so it will land us to this dashboard. So what we simply have to do is we need to come here where it says image or video. Click here. Then we'll begin pasting our images. We'll click on open. So here where it says describe your story, we'll go back to ChatGPT and we'll tell ChatGPT this simple prompt. And the prompt says, based on the above prompts, describe the action of each animal. Then we'll click on enter. And ChatGPT will give us the action of each animal. So what we simply have to do here is, we'll copy this action of the animal and we'll go back to Piccolabs and we'll paste it here describing what our animal is doing. Then from there, we'll click on enter. Okay, so once it has generated your video, look what it has done to our video and to our lions. All we have to do is come to where it says download and our video will be downloaded. So we repeat the same process for all the remaining images. You can also use Runway to convert your images to videos. All you have to do is go to runway.com, and once you are there, come to where it says start with image. So from there, all you have to do is to drag your image on this box here it says drag and drop an image to be the start of the video. So I would drag the image of the panda that we had downloaded. Then here there are these boxes that you can play with, like the camera motion and the motion brush. So once you're done playing with these settings at the bottom, you can come to where it says generate, and it only generate up to 4 seconds. So click generate. Okay, you can play the video to see the way it looks. Okay, so this is very amazing. All you have to do is come to the download bar here on top and click on, and your video will be downloaded to your PC. So you keep repeating the same process for all your videos. So you can use Runway to convert your images into 3D videos, or you can use Pixelabs. So either ways, it still works fine. Now, once you are done converting your images to video, the only thing that you need to do now is to put them together by editing. So we're going to use CapCut in order to put these two together, the audio that we had generated and the videos that we've generated. Once we open CapCut, what we simply have to do is to import our media here. And from there, what we need to do is to drag our song here on the timeline. And what we simply have to do from there is to begin dragging our videos over the song that we've generated. So please take your time and add in everything that is necessary, like the transitions, the effects that are needed, so that you come up with that outstanding video for your YouTube channel. Not only that, you can also add in some auto captions here, so that as the song is playing, there are also words showing up on your screen. So before I play the final video for you to see the way it looks, if you found this video very useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It will really mean a lot to us. And if there is any question that you have or any video suggestion that you might have, please drop them in the comment section below. I do read all your comments and I do reply to almost every comment that I get. So thank you for staying this far with me. God bless you. Also, don't forget to let me know how your channel is doing. I would really love to hear how your channel is doing.
Lions in the jungle with the mighty roar. King of the land, hear him loud, hear him more. With a golden mane and a powerful stride, in the circle of life he takes flight. Come along, let's dance and sing to the rhythm of the animal swing. Elephants, trumpets, and pandas play in the land of creatures where they all stay. Elephants march with the trunk so long. Wise and gentle, join the parade, come along. In the savannah, under the sun so grand, they paint the land with the giant